Good morning, everyone. Today I am Ayush and today I am going to tell you how to bake a cake. First, baking a cake. We have to gather the following ingredients: flour, sugar, eggs, butter, baking powder, vanilla extract, and milk. Second, you have to preheat your oven. You have to set your oven to the recommended temperature, usually 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. Third, prepare your baking pan. Grease and flour the cake pans to prevent them from sticking. Fourth, mix dry your ingredients. In a bowl, combine flour and baking powder. Sift to remove lumps. Fifth, cream butter and sugar. In a separate bowl, cream together softened butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Step 9. Pour the mixture into pans. Divide the batter evenly between the prepared cake pans. 10th step. Bake. Place pans in the preheated oven and bake them for the recommended time, usually 25 to 30 minutes. 11. Check for doneness. Insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, the cakes are done. 12th step. Cool. Allow cakes to cool in the pans for 10 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. Frost and decorate. Once cooled, frost the cake with your favorite icing and add decorations if desired. 14th. Enjoy. Slice and savor your delicious homemade cake. Thank you.